Hi there, students. To shortlist. To shortlist a verb. A shortlist, a countable noun. Shortlisted, an adjective. Okay, this is particularly common, for example, when a company is trying to find somebody for a job, and they've normally got various candidates and one job, two jobs, and they look at all the candidates, the long list, if you like, and then they make a short list out of those candidates. So these are the candidates that have been selected for final consideration. Yeah. Very often as well, this happens for giving a prize, for example, for the giving of a prize. So the Booker Prize, my novel was shortlisted for the Booker Prize. It was put on the list of preferred candidates or preferred books to win the Booker Prize this year. So the shortlist, a list of suitable applicants for a job, a list of suitable people or things to win a competition. Yeah. So to shortlist, to put on that shortlist, the shortlist, a list of applications that's been winnowed down, has been decreased from a longer list, those who are more suitable, and you're going to choose the winners or the successful candidates from that list. To shortlist, to put on a shortlist. Okay, so a shortlist, a list of people who've been judged most suitable for a job or a prize, made up from a longer list. Yeah, so we've drawn up a short list of candidates. I'm on the short list to be awarded this prize. We've shortlisted 3 applicants for the job, and we will choose one of those. So to shortlist is to reduce, to cut down the number of candidates, the number of people applying for something, and to put those who you think are most suitable, those you want to choose from. Or perhaps in a tender process, a process where various companies are bidding for a contract. Maybe you shortlist several of the people who are applying for it. You shortlist somebody for something. You shortlist somebody to do something. Okay, this is a very common practice. Yeah, to put somebody on the shortlist. The shortlist, a list of selected candidates, of special candidates from which you're going to make your final choice. The candidates for final consideration for a position or for a prize. Yeah, the short list of candidates. Now, you're going to ask me, is it shortlist one word? Is it shortlist 2 words? Or is it hyphenated? Let's see. I think you could probably use all of them. I think I would go for shortlist as 1 word, but you could use shortlist as 2 words, particularly in American English, and particularly for the noun. I think as a verb, shortlist 1 word definitely. The shortlist may be hyphenated or 2 words as well. Okay, so the shortlist. If somebody's shortlisted for a Nobel Prize for English teaching. Okay. Okay, so yeah, you're shortlisted for an award, for a prize, for a job, something like that. Formality. Shortlisted, to shortlist. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere, informally, semi-formally, and formally. And the origin, well, you have the long list with all of the candidates on it, and then the short list where you have your favourite ones. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Shortlist, a shortlist, shortlisted, to shortlist.